For more than 34 years, the Hubble Space Telescope has remained one of the most vital instruments in astronomy, offering humanity unprecedented insights into the cosmos. Designed initially for deep space observations, Hubble has also become an invaluable tool for studying our own solar system, capturing breathtaking images of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Many celestial bodies in our solar system remain largely unexplored, often due to the absence of dedicated spacecraft missions. Yet, Hubble's powerful optics have bridged that gap, revealing remarkable phenomena that challenge long-standing assumptions and reshape our understanding of planetary science. Despite its remarkable capabilities, Hubble is not suited for every type of observation. For example, it cannot capture the entire moon in a single frame due to the moon's large apparent size in the sky. Instead, specialized missions like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter provide high-resolution maps of the lunar surface. However, Hubble has still contributed to lunar studies in unique and unexpected ways. One of its most notable contributions came in 2012, during the observation of Venus transiting the Sun. Scientists devised an ingenious experiment using the Moon as a reflective surface to analyze sunlight filtered through Venus's thick atmosphere. By studying the reflected light, researchers were able to determine key details about Venus's chemical composition, confirming the presence of carbon dioxide and other gases. This experiment was not merely a breakthrough for planetary science. It also demonstrated a technique now applied to the study of exoplanet atmospheres, allowing astronomers to search for signs of habitability and even potential biosignatures around distant stars. Unlike the Moon, Mars has proven to be an ideal target for Hubble's instruments. The telescope has provided full-disk images of the Martian surface, something orbiting spacecraft often cannot achieve due to their proximity and limited field of view. These images allow scientists to track seasonal changes, dust storms, and shifting weather patterns over time. One of Hubble's most iconic observations was the global dust storm of 2001, which completely engulfed Mars and obscured its surface from view. These observations underscore the dynamic and changing nature of the red planet, providing critical information for the planning of future missions, whether robotic or crewed. Hubble has also closely monitored Mars's largest moon, Phobos, which completes an orbit around Mars in just 7.5 hours due to its close proximity. Over time, gravitational interactions are slowly pulling Phobos inward, and eventually, it may either crash into Mars or break apart, forming a ring around the planet. Studying such processes allows astronomers to understand the long-term evolution of planetary systems and the forces shaping them. Beyond Mars, the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is home to millions of rocky bodies, remnants from the early solar system that never coalesced into a planet. Hubble has been instrumental in observing these asteroids, revealing surprising insights into their structure and behavior. One particularly intriguing case is 6478 Gault, an asteroid that exhibited comet-like tails. Initially puzzling, further study indicated that this activity resulted from the Europa effect, where uneven solar radiation gradually accelerates an asteroid's rotation, ejecting material into space. Such observations highlight that many asteroids are not solid monolithic rocks but rather rubble piles, loosely bound collections of rocks held together by weak gravity, which can be easily reshaped over time. Hubble has also observed more dramatic events in the asteroid belt. In 2010, the object P. 2010A2 was initially mistaken for a comet due to its tail-like structure. Closer examination revealed it was the aftermath of a high-speed collision between two asteroids, which ejected debris in all directions, forming a distinct X-shaped trail. Events like these, while rare, provide a window into the chaotic early solar system and the forces that have shaped planetary bodies over billions of years. Moving outward, Jupiter exerts immense influence over the solar system. Often called the vacuum cleaner of the solar system, its gravity shapes the orbits of countless asteroids and comets, deflecting potential impactors away from the inner planets or capturing them altogether. Jupiter's mass accounts for roughly 34% of all non-solar mass in the Solar System, making its gravitational dominance second only to the Sun. One of Hubble's most dramatic observations involved comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, which was captured and fragmented by Jupiter's gravity in the early 1990s. In 1994, these fragments collided with Jupiter's atmosphere at speeds of 60 km per second, unleashing massive explosions that sent fireballs 3,000 kilometers above the cloud tops. One impact left a scar the size of Earth, releasing energy equivalent to 6 million megatons of TNT. This event offered a unique opportunity to study high-energy impacts in real time and underscored Jupiter's role as a cosmic shield, protecting the inner planets, including Earth, from catastrophic collisions. Hubble has also studied Jupiter's auroras, which are far more intense and continuous than those on Earth. Unlike Earth's auroras, which are influenced primarily by solar storms, Jupiter's are powered by both the solar wind and its own powerful radiation belts. In coordination with NASA's Juno spacecraft, Hubble has helped reveal the complex interactions that produce these stunning light displays, offering insights into the planet's magnetic environment and its interaction with the solar wind. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa stands out as one of the most promising places in the search for extraterrestrial life. Its thick icy shell conceals a subsurface ocean, and Hubble has detected water vapor plumes erupting from its surface, suggesting geysers eject material from the hidden ocean below. Spectroscopic studies also revealed sodium chloride, indicating that Europa's ocean may have a composition similar to Earth's seawater. These discoveries reinforce the idea that Europa could harbor microbial life and help scientists refine strategies for future exploratory missions. With the end of the Cassini mission in 2017, Saturn has lacked a dedicated spacecraft, yet Hubble continues to monitor the ringed planet. It has tracked atmospheric storms, seasonal changes, and ring dynamics. Hubble has also observed Uranus and Neptune, ice giants largely unexplored since Voyager 2's flybys in the 1980s. Notably, Hubble captured images of Uranus's seasonal changes and even discovered Neptune's smallest moon, Hippocamp, likely formed from the debris of a past collision. For over 3 decades, Hubble has continuously exceeded expectations, reshaping our understanding of the Solar System and beyond. Its contributions span planetary science, astrophysics, and the ongoing search for life beyond Earth. With proper maintenance, Hubble could continue operating until 2040, potentially outlasting even the James Webb Space Telescope in certain capacities. Hubble's enduring legacy is a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. Its discoveries, both past and future, continue to inspire generations of scientists and space enthusiasts. The universe is vast, and its secrets remain far from fully uncovered, but Hubble has shown us that every observation, no matter how small, has the potential to transform our understanding of the cosmos. In its decades of service, Hubble has taught us that the quest for knowledge is limitless, and that the universe, with all its mysteries, is waiting to be explored.